Hello and welcome. Hi, I hope everybody have been enjoying the proceedings of this third module and you are finding it engaging and meaningful in your journey to become a data analyst. So this module essentially did build on the foundation of predictive analytics. At the core of its understanding, predictive analytics is trying to use data analytics to make predictions for the future based on a given set of data. And this process is using data along with a range of analytical techniques, statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms to create a predictive model that would help you to visualize, to understand what is going to happen in the future. It is going to give you a forecasted set of future events that you can possibly expect. So applications ranges from diverse areas to diverse set of industries, but essentially it is based on how do we apply various statistical techniques or machine learning techniques to create a quantitative prediction about the future. So as I mentioned in my opening remark, you can actually use this technique to predict a future value. For example, when would the machine stop functioning, or the machine can experience a downtime, or when does the machine require a maintenance, that can be predicted. Or for example, a bank or a financial services company can effectively use this to measure and figure out that on the disbursement of loans to customers, which customer is likely to default on a specific loan. So that is the beauty and that is the applicability of predictive analytics. But remember, the business goals remain the same. The business goals are that we are looking forward to reduce wastages as much possible, to save time as much as possible, and to cut cost as much as possible. So it's a kind of massive data manipulation using lot of analytical models, statistical techniques, but the outcome of any predictive analytics application is that we are able to generate a clear, concise, focused, actionable outcomes that would help us to achieve our future goals, that would help us to achieve lesser material wastage, that would help us to achieve unsold inventories, that would help not only to meet user specification for a set of equipment, but is also going to reduce the downtime at the assembly line or shop floor for the customer. So at this point of time, let me also give you a synoptic overview of another important tenet of data analytics, which is prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics is not exactly the same as predictive analytics. Predictive analytics actually migrate to prescriptive analytics. So it is the next frontier. So predictive analytics is going to help you estimate what is going to happen next. But prescriptive analytics is going to tell you how do you react to that situation which is going to happen, and that's the beauty of the two different analytical techniques that you're going to learn subsequently. So it is going to use, prescriptive analytics is going to use the fundamental knowledge that you'd acquire in your predictive analytics platform and going to help you and suggest what is going to be your optimal response to those set of events. So it actually is built on optimization and rule-based techniques for decision making. So as I mentioned in my opening remarks, predictive analytics would help you to estimate what is going to be the electric grid load over the next 24 hours. That is possible. I can tell you to some degree of accuracy that this is going to be your load. But whether to operate power plants based on and what kind of resources we need to operate power plants on those load requirements is something that prescriptive analytics is going to offer to you. So the key takeaways from this module are we have been able to show you and showcase how do we generate value from past data by leveraging it to predict future course of events. We also got an overview of machine learning approaches which are currently in practice and which are popular in the industry. We have deep dived into supervised learning for predictive analytics. We also examined to some extent elementary unsupervised learning techniques. We got some kind of hands-on experience in looking at different predictive models and evaluating model performance. And I think as a course objective, we have also tried to encourage you to start exploring more and incorporate the things that you have learned in this model to solve future business problems that you are likely to face. So that is all about this module, and I am sure that you are enjoying your course and enjoying your sessions. In case of any questions, comments or feedback, you can always reach out to us. This is Ranjan Chaudhary signing off for this module, and I wish you a very pleasant learning and a very productive experience as we moved on to the next module of this course. Thank you and wish you a pleasant day.